Here is your opportunity to own a Sea Ray 220 Sundeck Outboard. Hard to find boat? This particular boat is heavily optioned. Instead of the 175 Verado that is standard, it's equipped with the 250 Pro 4-stroke outboard. As you see, the gel coat shines. This is due to the boat being stored under a covered lift. The boat is equipped with a black bimini top with matching bow and cockpit covers. As we step on board, you'll notice the upscale interior with the diamond stitching, the twin captain's chairs, lots of seating, and the upgraded dash with a 5-inch Raymarine. The up front seating is no exception, with the diamond stitching, stereo system, as we move back, you get a look at the aft seating. This boat is in Fort Myers, Florida. Please feel free to come take a look.